Hi, good afternoon. So, as you know, gumagawa po ako ng mga videos ngayon na dedicated po mainly sa anak ko po na si Blake. And sa inyo pong gustong manood at makinig lang ng thoughts ko tungkol sa iba't ibang bagay, yeah. Go and listen to this one. And yeah, it's up to you kung gusto nyo sundin or hindi. Okay lang po. Ayun, so for this day, yung gusto pong sabihin is about setting the standards. So tayong mga magulang, we set the standard to our kids. We set the standard kung ano yung type of love na mararamdaman nila. We set the standard kung ano yung type of living na may experience nila. They will, I mean, we will going to set all of this standard kung paano tayo itrato, tayo magsaset ng standard din sa kanila. Kung ano yung enough, kung ano yung sobra, kung ano yung bawal, kung ano yung hindi nyo virtue. Tayo yun. Responsibility natin yan as parent. And I think my mama and papa, I am really, really, I cannot express how thankful I am sa sa kanila. Kasi, first of all, binuhay nila ako, dinamitan nila ako, and I'm so grateful na pinag-aral nila ako kahit sobrang hirap. So, I will never forget that. So ngayon, yun na yung standard na natutunan ko. So standard na it's okay to live like simple and as long as you're happy. Sometimes there's some battles that you need to conquer. Pero, ayun, kasama pa rin. Hanggang dulo. And I love that. Yun yung belief ko as family na sama-sama. For me, that's my standard na nakita ko. Kaya ako, yun din yung standard ko. I want my family to be always together. I understand yung iba po kailangan talagang mag-sacrifice and I admire those people kasi I'm not for LDR, I believe. So, ayun. So, for my son, kay Blake, I'm trying to set a standard din right now ng kind of love that's different to some kind of love din. I mean, sa other kind of love na yung anak, pinagluluto ng mama, alam mo yun, yung lagi kayong magkasama, 24/7. Because for me, since I am working, I am doing or starting a business right now, meeting a lot of people, needs to be away for a few hours, up to few days, para pumunta sa ibang lugar to meet somebody that could potentially connect us to something bigger. So, super busy, super busy. We're trying, our family is trying to build a different path dun sa naging standard ng mama and pop ko. Different standard in a way na mas up level. So, I'm not questioning everyone regarding this or I'm not forcing this to anyone. Kasi alam ko naman po na iba-iba talaga tayo ng gusto and ng gusto para sa family natin. But for me, I would like to have a standard in terms of living na pwedeng yung freedom mo na kunyari, gusto mo kunyari scuba diving this weekend, you can do that. Gusto mo kunyaring pumunta sa ibang bansa next month, you can do that. You can help someone that is drowning in, let's say, financial or emotional. So, option mo kung matulungan mo sila. So, like that. So, yung mga hayop na distressed or gusto mong gumawa ng cause for someone, you can do that kasi you're financially capable. So right now, yun yung isang standard na sineset namin mag-asawa para kay Blake. It's really hard. Alam ng mga taong malalapit sa amin kung ano yung ginagawa namin right now. And they know na sobrang hirap ngayon. Sobrang dali ng comfortable na, I mean, not comfortable in a way na happy lang lagi. Siyempre, I understand po na pag wala ka talagang pera, you will never be comfortable or never be happy sa current situation. So, gusto naming ma-meet yun in a way na si Blake, hopefully, maging katulad siya ng mga nakakausap ko na minana nila yung mga businesses, may option sila to start their own business kasi hindi nila problem or hindi nila responsibility yung mga parents nila. So we're trying to have that standard. I know it would just take one generation para magbago yon. Yung mga nakausap ko ngayon, either yung mama nila yung nag-take ng risk, yung papa nila, yung family ng mama at papa nila, yung lolo nila, yung lolo ng lolo nila. So there's a lot of people na nag-take din ng risk for their family or for their lineage na maging ganon. So I hope na, I mean, kami, we take that challenge. So, so, ngayon, yan, ang hirap, araw-araw, ang hirap. So, imagine po na patulog pa siya, then gusto pa sanang hug si Blake habang sleep ng 4 a.m. Ang lamig. Tapos, kailangan ko nung bumangon. I just kiss him sa forehead. And, yeah, nakakantok. Pero, sabi ko, I hope it will be worth it. In God's will, magiging worth it lahat ng sacrifices. And, yeah, but of course, I will never trade na maging favorite person niya ako. Kumbaga, I'm fun. I'm fun na magkaroon ng maraming challenges sa buhay. So, but limited challenges to few. So, choose your heart. I'm picking this kind of hard na maging financially successful. But my relationship to the people I love will be always be part of this. So, aanin ko yung financial success kung wala naman yung people I love. But don't get me wrong. I understand some of you might say na, paano mo ma-achieve yung financial success kung lagi mo namang, I mean, kung hindi mo naman pinagtatrabahuan, or paano mo ma-achieve yung good relationship mo sa mga loved ones mo kung hindi ka naman makapag-dedicate ng oras sa kanila. Tingin ko po hindi ganon. You just need to find the proper balance to these things kung paano mo siya i-handle. So, yun. I'm still navigating. It's not perfect. It's not 50-50. It's not like that. And it will never be like that. Pero naniniwala ako na this thing will be worth it pag kinaya. Ayun. So, tayong mga magulang, let's do this. Let's keep our standard high para sa mga anak natin. Whether kayo po yung magsisimula or whether nandun pa po kayo sa bago, yung anak niyo yung magsisimula. But I know you would like to set some standard for them. Naniniwala ako na lahat ng mga magulang mahal yung anak nila. Yung mga magulang na hindi love yung anak nila, maybe may problem sa kanila. Parang, yung anak mo, yung person na wala pang ginagawa, auto-love. Love mo agad siya. Yan. Yan. Kaya, let's keep doing this. Sama-sama tayo. I know it's not easy. I know yung pinagdadaanan nyo rin po is not easy. Pero, kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. And I think that's the beauty of life and that's the beauty of parenthood. Na merong isang tao na, or mga tao, marami na po kayong anak, dependent sa inyo, then, papalaki niyo silang maayos, and magiging good contribution sa society. Ang ganda po nun. Yan, so medyo parang emotional ata itong video na to. But, yeah, it's okay. It's dedicated for my son. Para pag napanood niyo to sa future, I hope they'll be proud to mama and papa in the future. Yun lang po. Bye. Thank you po sa pakikinig.